हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? संडे मॉर्निंग। आप सभी लोग बताइए मुझे चैट में आप लोग कैसे हैं, जो है मेरे साथ यहाँ पे जुड़े हुए। हेलो, आप सबको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? हेलो। हेलो। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। क्या आप लोग मुझे सुन सकते हो? अगर आप लोग मुझे सुन पा रहे हो तो मुझे एक थम्स अप दीजिए प्लीज़ चैट बॉक्स में। ओके। सो लेट्स गेट, यस आई कैन सी ऑल चैट कमिंग अप, मतलब मेरी आवाज़ सही से आ रही है। गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग आर्या। आर्या, कैन यू हियर मी? आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो ठीक से? नो मीन्स आपको मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है क्या, ऐसा बात है? सो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। और एक बार, यस आर्या, आई होप यू कैन हियर मी। If I could know in the chat box would be great. Just let me know if you can hear me clearly or not. सो आप सभी के उधर वेदर कैसा है आज का? मुझे जल्दी से बताइए चैट बॉक्स में बिफोर वी बिगिन। हाउ इज़ द वेदर एट योर प्लेस? Yes, everybody let me know how is the weather at your place with an emoji. आप कुछ भी emoji के ज़रिए मुझे बताइए कि आपके यहाँ का weather कैसा है. If it's too hot, so pick an emoji appropriately. If it's raining, yes, how is the weather at your place? Okay, that's great. So without wasting any further time, we'll get started. Yeah, let's get started. We have the first question of the day over here today. You cannot hear me properly, is it? Um, I'll try to speak loudly, okay? I hope now you can hear me. Sound is very slow. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, now Arya, I hope my sound is better. Just check. I opened up the windows and everything, so I hope it should be a little better. Is it a little better? Or should I speak even loudly? Earlier I had my windows and everything closed, so I've opened up a door. I hope things are clear now. Yeah? So we'll get started. The first question says, which of the following is less than 13 tens plus 2 ones? So which number is less than 13 tens and 2 ones? Loudly. Okay, I'll speak loudly. So first of all, we will have to figure out what is this number 13 tens plus 2 1. Anyone in the chat box, can you let me know what is 13 tens plus 2 1? What is this number over here? What is this 13 tens plus 2 ones? As we all know, 13 tens would be 130 and 2 ones would be 2, correct? So 13 tens plus 2 ones is 132. So we have to find the number which is less than 132. And according to the options, which of these numbers is less than 132? Of course, it is option D. So let me click on option D and check. Well done. So whoever answered option D, that's absolutely correct. And let's get ahead. So first question was easy. Yes, Renu, I'm getting your answer, Arya. Okay, बाकी लोग मुझे बट इट वाज नॉट बी. अगर मैं वापस जाऊँ, इट वाज नॉट ऑप्शन बी, इट वाज ऑप्शन डी. ऑप्शन बी तो खुद 132 है, हमें 132 से लेसर नंबर बताना है. So that is 123, option D, right? Okay, who else do I have? Who is Renu Gupta is here and Rupa Roll is here. So one of you is Arya, and everybody, whoever is here with me in the chat will answer, okay? So this was option D, as we saw, not option B. Arya, check, it is not option B, it's option D. Option B is 132. We have to say which of the number is less than 132. So obviously it should be option D, 123. Okay. So the next question says, which of the two set of values are equal? Now in stars में आपको कुछ numbers दिख रहे, right? We have to subtract these numbers and find out कौन से दो stars के answers same आ रहे हैं. Simple. So very quickly find out and tell me which of these you're getting the same answer. Is it P and Q? Is it Q and R? Is it R and S? Is it P and S? Yes. So I am getting answers in the chat box. Let's see which one of these is correct. So one by one we're going to find the difference and then we will see which of these is the same or which of these are equal. So if we subtract 389 minus 82, we get 307, correct? Check for the next one. What do you get when you subtract 795 minus 375? 420. What about over here? 227 minus 29. 198. Excuse me. Excuse me. And the last one, 963 minus 656. This will again give me 307. So if you can see over here very clearly, which of the two options are same? We have P 307 and S 307. So option D, P and S मेरे को सही लग रहा है. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है, मुझे चैट में बताइए. So if I click on D, and that is absolutely correct. Well done. And let's move ahead with the next question. It says, what is the missing number in the box? नाउ यू हैव एन इक्वेशन ओवर हियर, एक तरह का इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है। इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट साइड में कुछ नंबर्स हैं इधर, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये, एंड इक्वल टू के राइट साइड में भी कुछ नंबर्स हैं, जिसमें से एक नंबर तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है। मुझे ये फाइंड करना है कि इस क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह पर क्या आएगा। सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट। Now 427 minus 295. What do you think is 427 minus 295? Yes. 427 minus 295. That gives me 2 and 3 and 1. But this number, ये solve करने से मुझे मिलेगा 132. Now I have to find out that 132 is equal to what? Minus 83, correct? So to find out this, what do you think I should do? So to find out this, I will add the two numbers, right? Let's give you a simple example. Let's say I have a number 10 in my mind, and I get this number 10 by subtracting one number from 15. So what is that number that I subtracted from 15 to get 10? So मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं 15 minus 10 करूँगी, right? The number is 5. उसी तरह से इन दोनों को एक नंबर से मैं subtract करके 132 is equal to question mark minus 83. So I'm going to add the two numbers. So let's add and see what am I getting. 5, 8 and 3, 11 and 2. So 215, which is option B. So let us check. नहीं, रूपल अगर आप C कह रहे हैं 132, so 132 will not be the answer. Why? I just explained it to you, right? That 132 has to be, the number has to be, subtracted with 83. So you add the two numbers and you get your answer as D, 215. And let's check D is correct or not. There you go. It's absolutely correct. Shall we move ahead? Great. Okay. Yes, D was the correct one. अब next sum पे चलते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. 5 hundreds, 2 ones plus 200 7 tens 9 ones is equal to 700 dash tens 1 1. This is a simple sum. I think मुझे ये आपको explain नहीं करना है, but let's see if we can get the answers before explaining. 500 2 ones. Very simple. What is 500 2 ones? 502 plus 200 7 tens and 9 ones is 279. Now when you add them, you get 781. So this can be read as 7 hundreds, 8 tens and 1 ones. So do we have 8 in the option? As you can see, it's in the option B. So let's click option B and check if our answer is correct. And there you go, option D is correct. Okay, Arya is saying I am good. Okay, that's great, Arya. I'm doing fine too. Yes. So we have the next question. As you can see, I've got a little cold as the weather is changing out here. And we have the next question over here. Can we go to the next question? Yes? Great. So far we are understanding all the questions, right? Awesome. So it says if one frog stands for 15, then there are a couple of frogs made stand for dash. So let's count how many frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs stand for what? Now if you remember, I have been repeating this since a lot of days, right? First of all, what do we need to do over here? One frog is 15, so 6 frogs will be what? You can do two things obviously. You can add up all these 15s together 6 times, or simply you can do a 15 into 6, and 15 into 6 is equal to what? Very simple. What is 15 into 6? Yes, very good. I can see answers in the chat box. 15 6 is 90. So let's click on option B and check. Well done. 90 is the correct answer. Very good. So far we are going good. Okay, let's move to the next sum. It says a forest had 856 trees. 289 trees were cut down. How many trees were left? Now that's a simple, straightforward question. There were 856 trees earlier, and from that 289 were cut down. So that means what do I have to do? Total 856 trees there, 289 trees were cut down. So how many left? How will I find out how many trees are left? Okay, Arya is saying sound is very, very slow. Not able to understand. Which one didn't you understand? The previous one? Should I go back? Okay, I'll try to repeat this a little louder. The question is, if one frog stands for 15, then these 6 frogs stand for what? Okay, is it clear now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me better? Or is it still the same? Guys in the chat, let me know if you can hear me better. I think now you can hear me better, right? Okay, so I was explaining this question again, that one frog stands for 15. So 6 frogs together will stand for how much? It's equivalent to you go to the grocery store to buy a chocolate, hai na? The shopkeeper tells you one chocolate will cost you 10 rupees, and you want to buy 6 chocolates. So 6 chocolates will cost you how much? You'll add 10 6 times, or you'll do 10 into 6, which is equal to 60. Likewise, the same logic goes over here. One frog stands for 15, so 6 of the frogs stands for 15 times 6, and 15 times 6 is nothing but 90. Let's see over here. 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9, and that's how I get the answer B, 90. Okay, moving on to the next sum. It says a forest had 856 trees, 289 were cut down. So how many trees are left? So if you're cutting down 289 trees from 856, that means I will have to subtract the two numbers. So let's find out the difference between the two numbers. If Now over here I have 6. 6 obviously cannot give away 9. So this becomes 4. And 16. 16 minus 9 would be 7. Now again 4 cannot give away 8. So this will become 7. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 567. Can we see a 567 in the options? Yes, of course. Option C looks correct. So let's click on option C and find out if it is correct. And there you go. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's proceed with the next question. I'm trying to speak as loudly as possible, Arya. And my Wi-Fi also I have checked. It looks fine. So try to be with me, yeah? I don't know why this audio issue is happening today. I'll try to speak louder, okay? The next question says, Seth has 124 points, while Asha has 135 more points than Seth. How many coins does Asha have? So Seth is having 124 coins, while Asha is having 135 more coins than Seth. Meaning, how much does Asha have? Asha have 124 plus 135 coins, right? So if you add them together, what do you get? You get 9, 5 and 2. That means 259 coins. So Asha in all has 259 coins. Where is the option 259? Option B. So let's click on option B and check if it is correct. And it's absolutely correct. Well done. Okay, the next question is here. It says a hotel has 8 floors. On each floor, there are 31 rooms. So how many rooms does the hotel have altogether? Let's do you a quick drawing of the hotel. Okay, let's say this is the hotel building. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 floors. I missed that. 8 floors. 7 and 8. Let's say this is your hotel building with 8 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I made one extra. And on all of these floors, you have 31 rooms each. So every floor has 31 rooms. 31 on this, 31 on this, 31 on this. And likewise, every floor is having 31 rooms. So can we find out what is the total number of rooms in this hotel? Again, just like the example of the frog, right? On one floor, I have 31 rooms. So likewise, on 8 floors, subsequently, I will have how many rooms? I can add up 31 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Or I can simply, instead of doing this repeated addition, I can do 31 into 8, because over here you're adding 31 8 times, right? And if you remember times, we've learned this in tables. So 31, 8 times 31 is 31 into 8. And what is 31 into 8? Let's find this out. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So option 248. Arya is saying, first she said option C, then she said option B. So Arya, if I try and click on option B or C, see, it's the wrong answer. Multiply correctly 31 into 8. 31 into 8 would give you 248, which is option B over here, 248. Okay, I hope that was understood. Great. Let's move ahead with the next question. So the next question says Kavya is 112 centimeters tall. Anaya is 15 centimeters taller than Kavya. What is the total height of both the girls? Now let's draw you a picture so that you can understand the question better. Let's say that this girl over here is Kavya. And how tall is she? She is 112 centimeters tall. There is one of her friend called Ananya, who is 15 centimeters taller than Kavya. So whatever is Kavya's height, she is 15 centimeters tall. So means she is 15 centimeters extra. So this extra height that you have is 15 centimeters. So in total, both the girls are how tall? So first we'll find out how tall is this another girl, Ananya. Right? How tall is she? She is 15 centimeters taller, meaning 112 centimeters plus 15 centimeters. That is 127 centimeters. This is only Kavya, and sorry, this is only Ananya, and Kavya is 112. So together, to find out how tall are they together, I will add up 127 with 112, and I get the answer as 339. Sorry, 239. My bad. 239. Do we have option 239? Where's option 239? Let's check. Option A, 239 centimeters. So let me show it to you. Option A, and that's absolutely correct. Let's move ahead. The next question says there are 350 apples and 360 oranges. How many fruits are there all together? Let's imagine all these fruits are in a box which has 350 apples and 360 oranges. So in total, how many fruits do I have? Simple, I'm going to add up the two numbers 350 and 360. Over here, I know the double of 350 is 700, right? So 700 and then this is 360. So it should be 710. Let me check if I'm getting 710 or not. So 0, 5 and 6, 11. 3 and 3, 6 and 1, 7. See? You get the same number. So 710. Now we have to check which of these options is correct. 701, no. 701, oh, 601, 701, no. 610, no. 710. This looks correct. Let's click on option D, 710. And that is absolutely correct. Not B, again Arya, not B, it is D. Okay. The next says select the correct match. Now over here, if you can see, you have a row, a column P and a column Q and a column R. We just need to check all the P, Q and R should be equal. So we have to check in which of these options do we have column P and Q and R equal to each other. So this is 18 tens plus 12 ones. What is 18 tens plus 12 ones? 18 tens would be 180 and 12 ones would be 12. So if you add them together, you get 192. So P and Q are equal, but look what is written over here, 182. Is it 182? No. So over here, you do not have R as equal to P and Q. So this option rules out. Let's check for the next one. 24 tens minus 150 ones. 24 tens is 240. 150 ones is 150. You subtract them, what do you get? 14 minus 5 is 9. And you have 90. So over here you see it's 85. So no, it's equal to 90, not 85. So P, Q, R, they're not the same. Again, so wrong option. Let's check for the next one. Next says 70 tens minus 5 tens. So what is 70 tens? 700 and 5 tens. I think Arya has already got the answer. Good job, Arya. So 5 tens would be 50. When you subtract them, you get 650. So do we have 650? Yes. Do we have 650 here? Yes. That means option C looks correct, 650. And we'll just check the last one, 184 ones and 216 ones. If you add them together, you get 8 and 1 9 and 1 10, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. 400, but over here it is 490. So again, D is also wrong. So the only correct option where P, Q, R all are equal is option C, 650. So let's click on option C and find out. As you can see, it is absolutely correct. And we move ahead. The next question. Find the correct sign in the box. Now you have a sign missing in this box. So either this will come lesser than, greater than, equal to, or it can be can't be determined. So again, what I'll do is on the left side of the box, whatever numbers are there, I will add and subtract. And then on the right side, whatever numbers are there, I'm going to add and subtract them separately. Okay. So Arya is giving me these smileys in the chat box. Thank you. Yeah. I think this is going to help me. I'll speak. I'll take the mic closer to my face. Can you hear this better now? Is it better? Yeah. I think this helps, right? So we have to find the correct sign in the box. Will it be lesser than, greater than, equal to? So to find out that, what we need to do is we need to first what did I say? 1 minute. Uh, yes, now I think it is better. Oops. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. What did I do? Huh. Sorry, we're back. Okay, thank God. So find the correct sign in the box. Now on the left side, as I told you, there are some numbers, and on the right side there are some numbers. So we're going to add, subtract whatever is on the left side, and then we're going to follow the same on the right side and check whether both the numbers, and then we're going to compare both the numbers, right? So let's start with 325 plus 129. What is 325 plus 129? 9 and 5 make 14. 2 and 2 is 4 and 1 5. 3 and 1 4. So 454. Now we have to subtract 43 from it. So minus 43, and that gives you 411. So on the left hand side I've got 411. Let's check what comes on the right side. So right side I have 412 plus 63, which is 475 minus 83. 47 minus 8 would be 7, cannot give away 8. So this becomes 3. 17 minus 8 is 9. And 3 minus 0 is 3. 392. So now we're going to compare the two numbers that we've got, 411, 392. Which one is a bigger number, or are they equal? Are they equal? Obviously not. 412, 309, 411, 392. They're not equal. So which of these numbers is greater? As we can see, 411 is greater than 392. So we have the dinosaur mouth towards 411, as the dinosaur only eats the bigger numbers, remember? So 411 is greater than 392. Option A looks correct to me. Let me check with option A. And it is absolutely correct. Well done. Again, whoever answered this correct, well done. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question says, there are 365 days in a year. How many days are there in 2 such years? So 1 year has 365 days, we all know. So 2 years will have how many days? Yeah, you can add up 365 plus 365, or you could do 365 times 2. 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12, and 1 13. 3 twos are 6, and 1 7. So I get 730. Do we have a 730 in the options? Yes, I have it in option A. So let's click option A, and there you go. Absolutely correct. Well done. Are you all enjoying? Yes. I don't think I'm getting any chat. Is my network stuck? Yeah, are you all enjoying the session? Whoever is here, can you give me a thumbs up so that I know everything is going fine in the session? Or do I need to improve anything? Should I go slow? Should I go fast? Yeah, all good? Okay. The next question says, if there are 16 apples on a tree, then how many apples are there on 3 such trees? So, as you can see, one of the tree is having 16 apples. Sorry. So I'm already getting answers for this one. So one of the tree is having 16 apples. So 3 of the trees will have how many apples? So there's supposed to be 16 on this one and 16 on this one as well. 16 apples, 16 apples, 16 apples. Again, remember I'm adding the same number again and again. I'm adding 16 three times. So I can do 3 times 16, which is equal to 48. Do I have a 48 in the option? Yes, option A, 48. Let's check if it is correct. And it is absolutely correct. So well done, whoever answered 48, you are absolutely correct. Moving on with the next question. The next question says, Ria is 172 centimeters tall and Tanu is 10 centimeters taller than Ria. What is the total height of Ria and Tanu altogether? Okay. So a similar sum we did back then, right? So we have, let's draw it for you. Let's suppose this is Ria and she's 172 centimeters tall. Then we have Tanu, who is 10 centimeters taller than Ria. So let's assume this is Tanu and she is 10 centimeters extra. So this extra is 10 centimeters. So how tall is Tanu first of all? Tanu is 172 plus 10, right? Just give me 1 minute. My battery seems to be dead. Just give me 1 minute. I am back. So have we figured out how tall is Tanu alone? Yes, Tanu is 172 plus 10, that is 182 centimeters tall. And we have Ria who's 172. So together, to find how tall they are both together, I need to add up 172 and 182. So let's add them up together. 354. Do I have a 354 in the chat? There you go, 354. So we'll check if 354 is correct. Let's check on option B. Absolutely correct. Oh, so that was all for today. We've winded up the session quite early. Now, since we have completed in time, let's check what we can do next. So we'll play a game, yeah? We will play a quick game, and I played this game with you in the previous session also. Yeah, let's play a quick game, and most of my kids love playing this game. It's known as the memory game over here. Now you can see that there are a few cards placed downwards, and every card has a pair. We just need to find out where that pair is, right? It's a cool game, fun game. Let's get started. So over here we have a bear. Okay. And next up we have a duck. Okay. Next we have a mouse. Next we have this bear. So we saw this bear, if you remember. Where did we see this bear? Yes. Where did we see this bear? We saw this bear in the very first line over here. So let's match the bears and the bears together. That's well done. Then we have the tiger, the duck. We saw the duck over here, if we're not wrong. Yes. Then we have the giraffe. Then the mouse again. Where was the mouse? We saw the mouse somewhere. Okay, the mouse was over here and here. Okay. Then we have this sheep. Oh, it matched automatically. A dragon. A tiger was here. Then the dragon again. Then the honey bee. Okay, this matches again. This is new, but the giraffe is here. And this matches with this, while this matches with this. Well done. Well done. Good job. Okay. Now, a cool game. Another fun game. Yeah, you're up for another fun game? Yes, I have another game for you, and this game will be based on numbers. So I'm sure we're going to enjoy this game. Yeah, let's get started. I hope you can see my screen, right? Can you? Is it visible, guys? No? Okay, just give me another minute. Okay, my picture is not visible to you. What should I do? My OneNote is also not visible to you all. Yes, now I think it will be visible. There you go. It should be visible now. Now why cannot I see it? Most probably it is not compatible. So my picture is not visible. I'm trying to share the picture, but then it's not coming, as you can see on the screen. I had this cool game for you. Okay. Okay. So I was trying to share something with you, a cool game with you, but then somehow this is not letting me share that. But I promise if we finish the session again in the next week early, so I'll try and play this game. I have this game on in two places, but somehow my see they're not recognizing it. Okay, don't worry. We will play this game again in the next week if we are able to finish the class off on time again in the next week. Yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed the session today. Did you? Yes, you had fun? I had great fun teaching you. In the chat box, can I get some feedback? How was the session for today? How did you all like the session? Did you all get bored? Okay. So I think that's all from my side today. I enjoyed, as I said, I enjoyed the session, and I'm going to